Hi preschoolers, it's Mrs. Decker. I know you can't see me, but you can hear me. This is me waving. Hi preschoolers. We're going to do a number talk for number 11. I'd like to talk all about the number 11. And I thought we would try to do it this way instead of up on the wall and see which way we like better. We're going to start right here with um, number 11. So first, I'm going to turn this over. We're going to look at number 11 here with our friend Pete the cat. And I want us to look at the number in this area right here, this 10 frame. Preschoolers should remember that that's a 10 frame. We call it a 10 frame because it has 10 squares. If all 10 squares are full, so if the whole top is the whole top 10 square is full, we know that is how many? That's right. If you said 10, you are right. We know this is 10. Then, so we don't have to count the top. We can start at 10 and say one more is 10, 11. Now, some of my friends may feel more comfortable if they get to count the whole thing. So let's go ahead and count all the buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you counting with me? Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many buttons are in the top 10 square? 10. Here's number 10, and then we add one more to make 11. Nice job. So we're going to talk about all about 11 today here on our all about the number 11 chart. So we're going to start right here with number 11. Think about what number 11 looks like. A 1 and a 1. So 11 is a 1 and a 1. So, and then in word form, we're going to write the word 11. E, L, E, V, E, N. That says 11. That says 11. Now, we already did this with Pete the cat, but we're going to do it one more time. And I'm going to make an X in every box. Please count with me as I make the X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one more is 11. 11. So we knew that this right here, when this was full, this was 10 plus 1, and the next 10 frame is 11. So then, sorry about my dogs barking. There we go. So we knew that when this first 10 frame is all full, that is always 10, and then we add one more, and it's 11. So now we're going to make 11 tally marks. Remember to tell me when to make a seatbelt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, you're right. Time to make a seatbelt. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Time to make a seatbelt. 10. And one more is 11. So we know that when there's a group of tally marks that have a seatbelt, we know that's 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And some of my friends who are able to count by 5 could say 5, 10, 11. Nice work, friends. All right. So now we're supposed to find number 11 on the number chart, but I forget what number 11 looks like. If I don't know what number 11 looks like, one of the things I can do is start counting at what I do know. So I know that if I start here, I can find number 11. So I'm going to do that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if I circle this number and I look at it, does it look the same as the number we wrote up here? 1 and a 1 and a 1 and a 1. Yeah, 11. So we know that on the number line, we found number 11. Now it's asking the number before 11 is. So think. When you're counting, what number do you say before 11? Well, if I can't remember, I would just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, the number I said before 11 is 10. Let me think what a 10 looks like. A 10 looks like a 1 and a 0. 10. Nice job, friends. You're working really hard here. So now that I know the number before 11, we want to talk about what is the number after 11. So let's take a look at that. If I don't remember, I can start with where I do know and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What comes after 11? What's this number? If you said 12, you are right. Number 12. And a 12 is a 1 and a 2. 12. So preschoolers, just think about this. You have been doing such important and hard work that you're already learning the tricky teens. How do we know it's a tricky teen? Because it has a 1 in front of it. If there is a 1 in front, we know it's a tricky teen. 10, 11, and 12 are considered tricky teens because they all start with number 1. You guys did a fabulous job learning about 11 today. So why don't you do some counting with somebody at home and practice counting to 11, practice making tally marks to 11. Later today, I'm going to post a video where you can do some number games where you'll be practicing all the numbers all the way up to number 11, because that's where we're at so far. We've learned 11 numbers. And if anybody doesn't remember our number talks before number 9, if you want to send me a message, I'll make a video about a number that you need help with that is before number 9, because there should be a video for number 9 and number 10, and that today there'll be a video for number 11. All right, bye preschoolers, we miss you.